Guys, good morning. I just woke up and it is a very cold morning and it's kind of wet as well. I think it was raining last night, but it was really hot last night, so we only used one duvet. It's chilly in the morning and hot at the night time, so that's what it is. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching my vlogs and making my day. And today I published my video. Today is Saturday. I never post videos on Saturday, but I wanted to ask you guys, when should I post my videos? Cause on weekends people have day off. If you guys want, I can publish my videos from Wednesday to Sunday. It will be 5 days a week, but you can watch my videos on weekends cause you have day offs on weekends and you guys get to enjoy my video without, you know, rushing for work or something like that. So let me know in the comments down below. I will think about it and publish my videos like that. And to be honest guys, I'm daily vlogging, but I'm not posting my videos on weekends cause I told you before as well, I don't mind vlogging daily. It's just editing bit and stuff like that. So yes guys, if you guys want to see videos from Wednesday to Sunday, let me know in the comments down below. So yes guys, that's about it. Let's go ahead and start our day. Today I'm going to apply some hair oil and give it a good wash. Today I'm going to a birthday party as well. Today is Brooklyn's birthday party and I'm really excited for it. I met Romy few days ago. Romy is Brooklyn's mother. So hi Romy and Brooklyn. I'm gonna see you today and we will have lots of fun. So when I saw her few days ago, she told me that she also got a music system and I'm really excited for it guys. It's gonna be a blast. I don't know मैले vlog गर्छु गर्दिन, hopefully गर्छु होला, तर it will be a good day. I'm really excited for it. Yay. So यो चाहिँ हो baby oil. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my hair. Baby oil चाहिँ एकदमै oily हुँदैन, त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ like wash गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ अनि कपाल पनि moisturize हुन्छ यो baby oil ले. That's why I love baby oil. मैले पहिला पनि कति धेरै oilहरु ट्राई गरेको थिए guys, तर एकदमै wash गर्न गाह्रो हुने, त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ मैले कहिले पनि कन्टिन्यू गरिन हेयर मसाज यो ओइलिङ भन्ने चाहिँ. तर अहिले चाहिँ मैले every 2 to 3 days को ग्यापमा चाहिँ मैले oil मसाज गर्छु and it works, you know. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ म तल आइपुगे र हाम्रो लिभिङ रुम चाहिँ it's a mess and I'm gonna tell you why. किनभने मेरो चाहिँ सोफा चाहिँ एकदमै bad horrible कन्डिसनमा भइसकेको छ यो 3 सीटर वाला चाहिँ, अनि 2 सीटर वाला चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो छ. It is still good, तर I really wanted to buy a low bed. I told you guys before as well. So guys, हिजो चाहिँ हामीले low bed order गरेको छ अनि डाइनिङ टेबल पनि, हाम्रो डाइनिङ टेबलको चाहिँ एउटा चेयर भाँचिएको छ अनि टप पनि डढी गएको छ. It's because of me. मैले चाहिँ त्यो कुकिङ ट्युटोरियल गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ डढाइदिएको थिए, एकदमै नराम्रो देखिरहेको थियो. हाम्रो लिभिङ रुमलाई चाहिँ you know boost चाहिरहेको थियो बिचारा हाम्रो लिभिङ रुम. त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामीले लो बेड अर्डर गरेको छ र त्यो लो बेड चाहिँ एकदमै क्यूट छ, वुड कलरको छ दुईटै, एन्ड आई विल शो यु दैट व्हेन इट अराइभ्स. जो छिटो नै आउने वाला छ. लो बेडको चाहिँ 159 पाउन्ड पर्यो क्या, डाइनिङ टेबलको चाहिँ 89 पाउन्ड पर्यो. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फर इट. त्यही भएर हामीले चाहिँ सबै यो रिमुभ गर्ने भनेर आज प्लान गरेको छ ताकि जब डेलिभरी आउँछ वी क्यान पुट आवर लो बेड स्ट्रेट इन. त्यही भएर आज चाहिँ इट्स गना बी अ बिजी मर्निङ. हामी चाहिँ यो पुरा रिमुभ गरेर सरसफाई गरेर चाहिँ ट्याक्क रेडी पारेर राख्ने हो. सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड गाइज. आई जस्ट कान्ट वेट फर माई न्यू लो बेड. एकदमै युनिक छ त्यो लो बेड चाहिँ, अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ डबल बेड पनि बनाउन मिल्छ. सो आई विल शो यु व्हेन इट अराइभ्स. तर आज चाहिँ हामी यो पुरा सफा गर्ने हो. लेट मी शो यु अहिलेको स्टेट कस्तो छ भनेर. सो यस्तो देखिरहेछ हाम्रो लिभिङ रुम चाहिँ अहिले. अब यो चाहिँ हामीले पुरै फाल्ने हो अनि लुक एट दिस. यो हाम्रो लेदरको हो हैन, लुक एट दैट. कस्तो घिनलाग्दो भएको छ. डबल सीटर सोफा चाहिँ ठिकै छ हैन, तर यो 3 सीटर वाला चाहिँ डिजास्टर नै छ गाइज. यो सोफा हामीले किनेको लाइक 10 इयर्स भइसक्यो हैन, अनि आई डोन्ट थिंक यो भन्दा बढी चाहिँ हामीले use गर्न सक्छ यो सोफा. So we are going to throw this 3 seater and get that brand new low bed. Can't wait for that guys. So yeah, अहिले चाहिँ यस्तो छ हाम्रो लिभिङ रुम. अब चाहिँ हामी खाजा खान्छौं. So guys, it's breakfast time. र breakfast मा चाहिँ मेरो बुढाले चाहिँ just चिया र बिस्कुट मात्रै खान्छु भनेको छ. I offered him English breakfast but he doesn't want to eat anything heavy today because we ate a lot yesterday. We ate pani puri and then heavy dinner as well. So yeah, we are, you know, being careful and eating carefully. म चाहिँ sausage roll मात्रै खाँदै छु and yes, that's our brekkie for today. म चाहिँ आज पार्टीमा जाँदैछु त्यही भएर I won't be eating a lot this morning. So yeah, अहिले चाहिँ 2 hours भइसक्यो. हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रो लिभिङ रुमको चाहिँ सबै सामानहरु चाहिँ क्लियर आउट गर्यो. रिसाइकल गर्ने चाहिँ रिसाइकल गर्यो, थ्रो गर्नेलाई चाहिँ थ्रो गर्दियो. अनि yes guys, I will show you how it looks like. I'm just loving it. Can't wait for my new furniture. So हाम्रो लिभिङ रुम चाहिँ अहिले यस्तो देखिरहेको छ. यहाँ चाहिँ लो बेड आउँछ. So अहिले चाहिँ हामीले यतिकै गद्दा राखेर सजाएको छ. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ डाइनिङ रुम आउँछ. So yes guys, can't wait for our new furniture. कतिखेर आउला र मिलाएर राखौँला भइसक्यो मलाई चाहिँ. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So guys, I just got ready and this is my look for today. I'm super loving it. I went for brown smoky eyes and candy cane liquid lipstick. Look at that glow. I just love it. So I will show you my outfit of the day. For my top, I'm wearing this top from Peacocks and my leggings is from Primark, and I'm also wearing a coat from New Look, and my bag, I don't know where it's from, actually I forgot. And I'm also wearing a wedge heel which is from New Look as well. So let me show you the whole outfit in a sec. आजको outfit of the day चाहिँ on point छ and I love it. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ म निस्किन लागेको हो. I've got the gift and my bag. I'm ready to head out for the party. Happy birthday Brooklyn and see you soon. Let's say hi Brooklyn. Hi. It's your birthday today. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah.
How old are you?
6.
Wow, you are a big girl now, eh? Got a pretty outfit, eh? What's your favorite color, Brooklyn? What's your favorite color?
Pink, purple and red.
Wow, that's why you are wearing purple today, eh?
Yeah.
Well, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye. Oh, baby, eh? Brooklyn ko boy कति क्यूट कुच्ची. आमै कति राम्रो देखेको हो कोही कोहीलाई. आमै खै यता हेर न त, यता कता हेरेको ल. हेलो. हेरेको के क्यामेरामा ट्रापर. बाई. Hello, Dai. Birthday girl ko mommy. Hello. So guys, I just arrived home and I'm super tired. Yeah, अब के हो यस्तो ए टल्केर कस्तो भएको भए. Oh my god. So guys, म भर्खरै आइपुगे. Look at me guys. पसिनाले चाहिँ तल भएको छु म चाहिँ. And we danced a lot. It was so much fun. So thank you so much to Romy for throwing this birthday party for her daughter. It was a blast. We had so much fun. The food was so delicious, especially the aloo dum. We really enjoyed it. So that's about it guys. Thanks for watching today's video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for more updates, and I will see you guys very soon.